Hi, welcome back to the channel. In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to use a count and CountA functions in Microsoft Excel. These functions are very helpful whenever you're working with numbers. Now on my screen, I have a short list, and in column B, I want to count how many numbers are in column B or how many cells in column B contain numbers. I don't want to do that one by one. So here I'll use the count function. Let's try it. You type in equal sign and type in count. Open parenthesis. Now you come and select the range of cells that contain the numbers. So we start from click cell B3, drag to the last number up to cell B51. There you have it. Once you drag, it fills in for you. You have count, open parenthesis, B3 to B51. The colon in Excel shows 2, shows the range, B3 to B51. You can close parenthesis or you can leave it and press enter. There you have it. You have your 49. That's 49 numbers are in column B. In case you have a longer list and you don't want to click and drag, that could be cumbersome. There's a shorter way to do that. Let's try that. So we come in here again and remove the count function from there. We start again. We type in equal sign, count, open parenthesis. We go up to the first cell with our number, that is B3. We click in here. Now you hold down control and hold down shift key at the same time and use a down arrow. That selects the whole range of cells that contain numbers. There you have it. So you see, it's selected from B3 to B51 for you. Enter and you have the results. There are 49 numbers in column B, or there are 49 cells in column B that contain numbers. Take note that the count function doesn't count empty cells. It doesn't count text. Say that in row 45, we make it blank, backspace, and do enter. We'll see that the results here changes to 48. Now let's see how the CountA function also works. The CountA function counts content in all cells except empty cells. So in column A, we want to count how many cells contain items or have content. So we do equals count A, open parenthesis. And like we did before for the count function, we will go up to the first item, click it, hold Control and Shift together down, and press the down arrow. That selects the range of cells for you. So here we have count A, open parenthesis, A3 to A51. That's the range we want. We enter it, and there it is. We have 49. So there are 49 cells with content in them. So now let's say that we decide in cell A44 to change it to numbers. So write 45 there. Well, see right here, the number or the total number of cells with content does not change. If we came to A36 and type in, say, cherry 56 and hit enter, the numbers still do not change. Again, in cell A56, if we chose to make it blank, we backspace it and make it blank. Watch that over here. The result now changes to 48. That is because the CountA function is not counting empty cells. It will count all other cells with content in them, but won't count empty cells. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Please do well to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.